Wait, don't throw out that old file folder. Instead, transform it into one of these quilting tools. I use this old folder with a 1/2 of an inch marked on the edge to ensure my edges stay straight when pressing. A pressed seam comes in handy when covering raw edges. You can make cardboard templates by printing the pattern directly on the folder. Just cut an 8.5 by 11 piece and run it through your printer. If you're worried about using the heavier weight in your printer, then try printing on paper first, then glue the printed sheet to the folder and cut out the shapes. Do you need a sturdy envelope for securing all your templates or paper piecing supplies? Divide your folder into 3 sections, fold, and use clips to hold in place. Stitch on the edges, use a rubber band to secure, or stitch elastic to the lip. Open your folder and use it as a tray to lay out your block. This makes it easy to transport the block to and from the pressing area. And last but not least, use the folder to make bias bars. Cut a strip from the folder the desired width. Take your bias strip of fabric, put wrong sides together, and stitch into a tube. Insert the bias bar into the tube, and then scoot the seam down the center of the back. Press the seam open, then applique in place. Hope you get a chance to try out one of these tips. Maybe you have some other ideas for using file folders. Please share these below in the comments area. Thanks for visiting LearnHowToQuilt.com. Don't forget to sign up for free updates and patterns at our website. Thanks.